Welcome back to Product Critique,
your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of firearm maintenance with a product that's been making waves, the Mossy Oak Gun Oil Combo Kit. If you're a firearm enthusiast like me, you know the importance of proper maintenance. And when it comes to keeping your pistols in top condition, having the best gun oil is crucial. That's why I'm excited to introduce you to the Mossy Oak Gun Oil Combo Kit, hailed as the best gun oil for pistols available in the market. What makes this kit stand out?
let's break it down.
First off, it's a one-step solution. That's right, with Mossy Oak's CLP, cleaner, lubricant, protectant, you can simplify your gun maintenance routine. No need for multiple products when you have everything you need in one bottle.
Now, let's talk about versatility.
This kit comes with a 2 ounces
fine mist pump sprayer and a 1 ounce
needle oiler. Whether you need broad coverage or precise lubrication, Mossy Oak has you covered. And the best part? It's designed to be gentle, safeguarding your firearm's finish and function without compromise. But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the efficiency and convenience of the Mossy Oak Gun Oil Combo Kit. From casual shooters to serious enthusiasts, everyone can appreciate the ease of use and the protective layer it leaves behind.
And let's not forget about durability.
Engineered for extremes, this gun oil won't freeze or run, ensuring reliable cleaning and protection in any conditions.
From scorching heat to cold, Mossy Oak has you covered.
So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best gun oil for pistols, look no further than the Mossy Oak Gun Oil Combo Kit. Simplify your maintenance routine and keep your firearms in peak condition.
Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews on the products you love.
Until next time, happy shooting!